Once in a village where llamas were aplenty, there lived a llama named Larry. Larry was often considered to be a dreamer. No one took him quite seriously. There were other llamas who had important jobs, carrying foods to the stores, berries, apples. Others carried wool to the llama wool store. But Larry was a dreamer that everyone kind of left alone. One day, while Larry was out nibbling on berries, he overheard some burglars talking. "Hey, I think we should go into the village to steal." He looked around. He hid behind some bushes to listen. And he heard the burglars talking in the distance. "Yeah, we can go into that little town. We can break in and steal the fruits and berries and the llama wool and take them to another city so we can resell them. Yeah, let's go do it, man. We'll get all ready to go." Larry knew what he had to do. He needed to go to talk with Grandpa Llama. Grandpa Llama would surely believe him that there would be burglars trying to steal their goods from their village. So off he went. Well, Larry went to go visit his Grandpa Llama. "Grandpa Llama? Grandpa Llama, wake up. I have some important news, Grandpa Llama." "Oh, what is it, little Larry?" "Well, Grandpa, we've got burglars coming to town. They're planning on stealing berries and apples and wool and everything." "Oh, Larry, you've got such an imagination. Maybe you were dreaming about it." "No, Grandpa, I'm serious. You don't believe me." "Well, I'll keep my ears open. All right, now I'm gonna finish my nap here. Good night, Larry." "Shh. Oh, Grandpa, you don't believe me. I'll go talk to my uncle." So Larry went off to go talk to Uncle Llama. Shh. Shh. So Larry went to go visit his Uncle Llama. "Uncle Llama, there's gonna be burglars coming. We need to do something. The burglars are gonna steal all the wool and fruit and berries, and they're gonna take it to another town and sell it." "Oh, Larry, you always say things like that. I don't think so." "Oh, it's true, Uncle Llama, it's true. You gotta believe me." "Oh, Larry, you can just go run along now and dream away." "Oh, you don't believe me either. I'll just do it myself then." And off Larry went. I don't know what we're going to do with that, Larry. Well, Larry knew just what to do. He set up his net that his Grandpa Llama showed him how to do to capture the burglars. "They'll never escape this, 'cause my Grandpa Llama taught me how to do this. As soon as they come, I'm gonna trap them in the net." And he hid behind the bushes while waiting. Meanwhile, the burglars were off to do their dirty work. "All right, Mo, you ready? You and I will bust in the village and steal everything." "I'm ready when you are." "All right, here we go." But Larry was able to get the net up and trap them in their net, and they couldn't get out. Help! Well, Larry was on his way, and he brought the sheriff with him. "You guys, you're in big trouble." And soon the sheriff was right behind him, and the sheriff's brother. "Oh, good job, Larry. Larry, you captured the burglars. I'm so very proud of you." "Oh, thank you, Sheriff. In fact, I need a new deputy." Would you like to be my new deputy, Larry? Me? A deputy? Yippee! I would love to be a deputy. Absolutely. You caught these burglars and people have been wanting to catch them for months. Good job, Larry. And so Larry went off to go tell his grandpa. Yippee! Meanwhile, the sheriff and his brother, they got the burglars caught in the net and they were off to jail. Oh, shucks. So Larry went to go tell his grandpa. Grandpa! Grandpa, I'm the new village deputy! I heard about that, Larry. I'm so proud of you. And now people will start taking you seriously, and all the llamas in the village will take you seriously too. Thank you, Grandpa. And I think we should go and celebrate. Yeah, that sounds great. So the two of them went off to celebrate.
Hi guys! So today we're going over the letter L. But we don't say L, we say L, as in llama. Or L as in lemon. This is a little L. This is a big L.
Ooh, for ladle.
Hello there, Ellie here. Okay, so today we went over our story about llamas. This is Larry the llama. Hello, Larry. And here's our little ooh for llama. Here's a big O for like Larry. Okay, not too much difference. It's a line letter. It makes a line. And the big one, it's a line. And then it goes to the honey line. Okay? So not a lot of difference between the little O and the big O. Think of love. Okay. Oh, yes. Okay. So we continue making our little ooh, which is a line. And then a big O, which is just a line, and then you go over toward the honey line, because llamas like honey. Yes, they do. Okay, so for the little O, it's just a line. Start at the cherry and go straight down. No cherries here, but start at the top, go straight down. Very good. Now do the big O. And over toward the honey line. Oh. Start at the top, down, and over. Yeah, a big O for a big llama. Good job. Voila.
Oh, hi guys! Jerome here. How's it going? Okay, so we're going over the little O today. Okay, so O, like for love, there's a heart on there. Remember love. Love is so important. Okay, ooh for lemon. Okay, I'm gonna try to taste this. Oh, lemons are sour. Okay, but my assistant made me a nice glass of lemonade, so I'm gonna take a sip. Mmm, delicious. All right, guys. So don't forget. Ooh, for lemons. Goodbye.
Hello, Ellie here. Hello there. I have a ooh, also a big ooh, for lid. Okay, lid. There's our lid. It goes on a cute teapot. Lid. Ooh.
Hi, guys. Okay, so we are going to do some letter art. Yeah, I love art. Okay, so we're going to use the little ooh in a lot of areas when we're going to draw a ladybug. Okay,
I'm gonna give it to Ellie because she loves ladybugs, so don't tell her. It's a surprise. Okay, so first get a marker, and we are going to start. Okay, so we're gonna draw like a little hill. Okay, so start from this side, go up and over toward the honey line. Now you don't have a honey line, so maybe you should put one there so you kind of helps with directions. Nice. Okay, here we go. Starting here, up and over. Yeah, good job. Okay, and then we'll do like a little bubble over here. Nice. Okay, start at the top and go down. Make a one little ooh and then another little ooh. Nice. One more. Okay, those are going to be the little antennas on top of the head. And a little dot. Nice. Okay, we're going to give the ladybug some big eyes. So, a circle, and another circle, and a dot, and a dot. Okay, and a smile. Nice. Okay, just draw a line from this side to the honey line. Close it up. Nice. This is an easy one. Okay, now we're going to put some circles and spots on here. Okay, remember how our circles go. They start at, 2 o'clock or cherry up and around. So practice your circles. Okay, nice. Now, ladybugs, I think, have 6 legs. Okay, so you can check on that, but I think that's right. Okay, so we're going to make some little oohs. Okay, 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, and then 3 more. 4 potato, 5 potato, 6 potato. Nice. Okay, you can give the ladybug some little shoes. Okay, nice. Sweet. Okay, now, ladybugs are red, so if you want to color your ladybug, that would be great. And there's our ladybug. All right, nice job. Okay, maybe give the ladybug a little grass. Lots of little oohs for grass blades. Oohs are just like little lines. They're very useful in artwork. There you go. Good job. Okay, I'm going to save that for my friend. I'll put that aside. Ellie will love it. Okay, now we're going to make the big ooh like this into a big llama. Another art project. Yeah. Okay, this one's a little trickier, so take your time. Pause the camera if you need to. Okay, first we're going to start with the hairdo. Okay, zoom in. All right, so you're going to start with this crazy hair. So this is Larry. He's got lots of hair. Okay, kind of ziggy-zag, like a pointy cloud. Yeah, he's got some ears, so a loop and a loop. A loop and another loop. Can draw a texture line if you want. Okay, now out of this crazy hair, we're going to draw a line over toward the honey line because they like honey. And we're going to curve it and make his jaw. All right, here you go. Okay, now we're going to put an eye kind of hiding under his hair. Yeah, and a little zoom in. You can see a little pointy nose and a line. Okay, nice. Okay, zoom out. All right, now we're going to get his neck. So you see the top line and the other side. All right, and now he's going to start to have a belly. And stop. Okay, and then we have a back line right here, just a little short one from here to here. Okay, he's got a little tail. And then you're going to pretty much go straight down, a little curve.
Okay, matches the other side, and then the ziggy-zaggy line. Yeah, for lots of hair. Okay, give him some hair texture. Little short lines. Okay, now this is where the big O's come in play. So we're going to use the side of the marker, and you're going to draw a big O, and then the second foot is going to be a little longer. And the third foot is kind of like the first one, and this one is longer. Okay, and then the second one longer. There you go. Those are big O's for his legs. All right, good job. Oh, Ellie, I've got a surprise for you. Coming, Jerome. Close your eyes. Okay. All right, no peeking. Okay, you can look. Look what I made for you. Oh, Jerome, a ladybug, my favorite. I knew you'd like it. Oh, for ladybug. Goodbye, everybody.